Today we will be discussing IMO Olympiad previous questions class 8. First question, divide 64x square plus 48xy plus 9y square into x plus 2 by 8x square plus 16x plus 3xy plus 6y. Here we know that this one is 8x plus 3y whole square. 8x whole square, that is 64x square. Then 2 into 8 into 3, that is 48xy plus 9y square. So we write like this, into x plus 2 divided by 8x square plus 16x is the same as 8x into x plus 2. And this is the same as 3y into x plus 2. So we write this as x plus 2 into 8x plus 3y. So we have to cancel this 2, then this. So the correct answer is 8x plus 3y only. Next question. If 540 is 10% of y and z percentage of y is 16,200, then find the values of y and z respectively. 540 equal to 10% of y, that is y into 10 by 100. So we have y equal to 5,400. So only two options here. Then z percentage of y, that is z by 100 of y is 5,400. That's equal to 16,200. So we have to find z. Here we have to cancel this. So z equal to 16,200 divided by 54. 54 3s are 162. So 300. So y is 5,400 and z is 300. So B is the correct option. Next question. Cube root of a number when divided by the smallest prime number gives square of the smallest prime number. Find the number. Cube root of a number is x. Cube root of a number when divided by smallest prime number is 2. When divided by 2 equal to the square of the smallest prime number, that is 2 square. So we have to find x. Here cube root of x equal to 2 square into 2, that is 2 cube. So we have to cubing the 2 right hand left side, then x equal to 2 cube whole cube, that is 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 is the same as 512. So which is the correct option here? A is the correct option. Next question. Two successive discounts of x percentage and y percentage on a western gown is the same as the single discount of x plus y minus xy by 100%. That is C is the correct option. Next question. If a raised to 2b minus 3 into a square whole raised to b plus 1 by a raised to 4 whole raised to minus 3 equal to a cube whole cube divided by a raised to 6 whole raised to minus 3. We know that a raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to mn. Then a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Also a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. So we have here a raised to m is 2b minus 3 and n is 2 into b plus 1. So a raised to 2b minus 3 minus a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n plus 2 into b plus 1. Then divided by a raised to 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So a divided by a raised to minus 12 is the same as a raised to 12 here. So plus 12. So this is the same as a raised to 4b minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, plus 12, that is plus 11, equal to a raised to 3 whole raised to 3 is a raised to 3 into 3, that is 9. A raised to 9 divided by a raised to 6 whole raised to minus 3 is a raised to minus 18. So a raised to 9 plus 18, because a raised to m by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n, that is a raised to 9 minus of minus 18. Minus of minus means plus. So a raised to 9 plus 18, that is a raised to 27. So we have to calculate 4b. A raised to 4b plus 11 equal to a raised to 27. So 4b plus 11 is 27. So 4b equal to 27 minus 11. 27 minus 11, that is 16. Then find the value of 2b only. So 2b equal to 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. So B is the correct option. Next question. If a number 54x and 49y is divisible by 90, then what is the value of y by x? This number is divisible by 90, then y is always 0, because it is divisible by 90, then it is always 0. So the value of y by x is 0 by x. 0 by any number, that's equal to 0 only. So A is the correct option. Next question. The tens digit of a 2-digit number exceeds its unit digit by 6. The number itself is 10 times the sum of its digit. Find the number. So, the tens digit of a 2-digit number exceeds its unit digit by 6. The number is 10x plus y. So, x equal to y plus 6. X equal to y plus 6. Then the number itself is 10 times the sum of its digit. Number is 10x plus y. It is the same as 10 times its sum of its digit, that is 10 into x plus y. So, from here 10x plus y equal to 10x plus 10y. That is, we cancel this x, then 9y equal to 0, that is y equal to 0. So, x equal to y plus 6, that is 0 plus 6, x equal to 6. X equal to 6 and y equal to 0, which is the number 60 only. 10 into 6, that is 60, plus 0, 60. So, D is the correct option. Next question. Subtract the sum of minus 1 by 2 and minus 4 by 7 from the sum of 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 7. So, subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. So, 3 by 4 plus minus 5 by 7. How we do this? That is, LCM is 28. So we have to multiply this by 7, that is 21, then minus 20, that is 1 by 28. Then subtract the sum of this sum, minus 1 by 2 plus minus 4 by 7. LCM is 14. So minus 7 plus 2 into 4, 8. That is minus 8. That is equal to minus 15 by 14. From this, we have to subtract this. That is 1 by 28 minus 15 by 14. That is we have to LCM is 28. 1 plus this one 2 into 2, that is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 by 28. B is the correct option. Next question. If A minus B equal to A into B, A plus B equal to A divided by B, A star B equal to B minus A, then the value of 10 plus 2 into 5 minus 2 into 2 into 5. A minus B, that is this one is A into B, that is 5 into 2. 10 plus 2 is 10 divided by 2. Then A star B, B minus A, that is 5 minus 2. So this is the same as BODMAS rule is applying. Division first, that is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 in, then multiplication, 5 into 2, 10. Then bracket is first, 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3. 50 into 3, that is 150. So A is the correct option. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.